Hey friend, wow. Have you heard about the 20-day LinkedIn growth program?
Oh, did I just hear LinkedIn? I've been struggling to get post impressions, likes, or comments myself. So please let me be.
No worries, my friend. That's exactly why I'm here to share with you how to boost your LinkedIn visibility. Are you interested? I'm here to share success stories about how
Halma
the
Workwood.
LinkedIn Queen has helped countless people achieve exponential growth on LinkedIn from zero or low post impressions, likes, and comments to meaningful engagement. Achim, tell me more about her.
My name is Helma Wargwu, the LinkedIn Queen.
Helma Wergwu, the LinkedIn Queen.
Award-winning thought leader Homa empowers corporate executives and business owners to seize opportunities and boost visibility on LinkedIn, the world's largest professional network. As a recognized member of the global LinkedIn Certified Marketing Insiders Network, Halma is a prominent voice in LinkedIn marketing. Her coaching programs have catalyzed transformative milestones, from landing dream jobs and clients to leveraging international opportunities. Halma's signature 20 Days LinkedIn Growth Program has impacted 4,000 individuals across 28 countries, including the US, UK, Canada, Kenya, and Cyprus. She not only developed the program but also serves as its primary trainer, driving success worldwide. Come join us and grow your LinkedIn.
Hold on just a moment. Subscribe to Funflix Kids TV now for exclusive updates, exciting content, and special offers. Don't miss out. Join the fun today.